Hello everybody, it's Miss Latasha back with another really cool video. Today we're going to be making rainmakers, and all you use is aluminum foil, paper towel holder, tape to hold the ends, and this is about a cup for fourth cup of white rice. So you take the aluminum foil, we're going to fold it like 3 times. Okay, so it makes a little rectangle. Then you're going to take your paper towel holder, and one end you're going to put the aluminum foil on it. And take some tape. You're going to tape around the aluminum foil, like so. Okay? I'm going to do it to both ends, and I'm going to use a little bit more tape. Just to make sure it's secured. Okay, like so. And then we're going to do the other end. Okay. Going to pour the rice in. Miss Latasha dropped a couple pieces, but that's okay. Okay, so both sides are taped and both sides has aluminum foil, and then you just pour from side to side, and it really does sound like the rain, or make it rock us. Thanks for watching the video. Once again, remember, stay safe, have fun.